In order to mute camera sound on iPhone 17e, we need to go to Settings. Over here, scroll down and search for Focus. And we need to create a custom focus. So we're gonna use this plus button in the upper right corner over here. Choose Custom. Next, we need to set up the name for our focus. I'm just gonna name it like Shutter. Of course, you can name it how you want to. We can adjust the appearance of the icon as well, so you can choose whatever you like. And we're gonna use the next button. Now over here we can tap on Customize Focus. Scroll down in here and you should be able to find Set a Schedule option. So we're gonna press Add a Schedule and you wanna choose App. Over here we're gonna pick Camera. You want to select Camera. And once you add the camera, then at the bottom below we have the Focus Filters section. So we're gonna press Add Filter. And then in here you want to choose the Silent Mode. You want to make sure that Silent Mode is going to be enabled. So we're gonna press Add, and the focus is ready. So this will be automated, which means that every time you open the camera, the silent mode is going to be activated, and this mutes the shutter sound. So if I open the camera, if I now try to use, there we go, we have the information about the focus mode being activated. But now if I use the shutter button, the iPhone 17e will make no sound whatsoever. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.